Assalamu alaikum. This video inshallah for topic 10. Okay, read the question here. We know that, let's talk in general. A is number of protons and number of neutrons together. Z is number of protons, which is equal also to number of electrons. Okay? So for this element, whatever is this element, what is the number of protons? It's 18. Because it's given here, it's 18. What is the number of neutrons? We know that A is protons and neutrons. Z is protons. So it should be number of neutrons equal to A minus Z. Yani 40 minus 18, that's equal to 22. This is the number of neutrons. Number of electrons equal to number of protons, which is 18. Number of nucleons means protons and neutrons together, which is 40 in this case. Let's go to the next. They are asking about the charge of the relative charge. The relative charge means E. Yani when we say plus 1, that means plus E. When we say negative 1 means negative E. And E equal to 1.6 times 10 power negative 19. So the proton is positive 1, neutron has no charge, electron negative 1. The answer is C. Let's look at those questions now. Now, alpha decay is the helium particles, which is the large particles comparing to beta and gamma. So, alpha will be stopped by paper. It's easy to be stopped because it has a huge or big particles. So this is alpha, right? Because it's stopped by paper. Beta will be harder to stop. Why? Because it is electrons with high speed. So it is smaller than alpha, but at the end it has mass. So a few millimeters of aluminium can stop them. So this is beta. And gamma is electromagnetic wave. So it has high, it can be, it's hard to stop, let's say. So it is Y. Then X is alpha, Y is gamma, and Z is beta, so the answer is B. Now, the charge of each radiation. Alpha is a helium nucleus, so it has 2 protons and 2 electrons. It is 2 protons and 2 neutrons, I'm sorry. So it has 2 positive charge, or 2 relatively positive charge. So it is A or B. Z, C and D cancelled. Y is gamma, which is electromagnetic wave. So or radiation. It has no charge. So the answer is B. But let's check Z to be sure. Z is electron. And high speed electron, but at the end it's electron. It has negative 1 charge, so B is our right answer. Let's look at the next question. Now, if we have this field and we have alpha, beta, gamma particles going through this field, alpha is positive, so it will be attracted to the negative. Hey, alpha. Gamma is a ray, so it will not be affected by the field. Okay, this is gamma. Beta will be attracted to the positive. Right? That makes sense, I think. Okay. So, which one of those choices will give us the right answer? The answer is D. Alpha will go toward the negative, beta will go toward the positive, and gamma will continue straight. Fine. Let's look at this questions. What is the product when polonium 210 undergoes alpha decay? صحيح. هلا polonium 210 84, that will give us alpha decay, means helium nucleus 42, and X, let's say for now, 210 minus 4, which is 206, and we have 84 minus 2, which is 82. Which one of those is giving us the right answer? A, right? Now, same thing for the, same process, let's say. We have X 24 11. Now, for beta, be careful. Here, some students get confused. For beta, the electron is not coming from the outer shell of the atom. It's coming from the nucleus of the atom. The nucleus of the atom has no electrons, right? It has protons and neutrons. What actually happened, one neutron will give us electron and proton. This electron will be ejected with high speed, okay? And one neutron will be converted into proton. So the number of nucleus will not change. Nucleons, I'm sorry. The number of nucleons, let's call it Y now in general. The number of nucleons will not change. 24 will stay 24. Why? Because the neutron converted to proton. So still we have 24 nucleon. Z will be changed into 12. Clear? Because now we have more protons. One more proton, but one less neutron. So we added proton, we subtract neutron. The nucleons will stay the same. And of course, beta decay, which is -1. So the answer is Mg 2412. Let's look at the next question. What is the decay does not change the number of protons or neutrons? Nothing, which is gamma. Gamma, which is the, what do we call it? The, ray, the, yes, electromagnetic ray. Now, next question. Clearly, from this first equation, that A have been reduced by 4 and B has been reduced by 2. So which decay we have here? We will have beta, which is helium, 4, 2. Next one. Here, the number of nucleons stayed the same. The number of protons increased, so we will have electron, which is beta, And of course, with beta always we have high energy. Okay? Next one. Aluminum 27 and 128 minus 4. So here we subtracted 4. And 13 minus 2, 11. So we subtracted 4 from the nucleons and 2 from the protons. That means, again, alpha decay. Let's look at these questions now. What is, okay, X in the reaction below? In this reaction, what should be here? Okay, we have, okay. Now, the number of nucleons, 4 plus 9 equal 13. But here we have 12. So this one is X1, okay? 2 plus 4 give us 6. So this is 0. So in which case we will have 1 nucleon but 0 proton. That means we have a neutron, right? Because remember, nucleons means protons and neutrons. Okay? Or يعني if we have 2 protons, 2 neutrons, that means 4 nucleons. Okay? Don't forget this. Now, let's look at this question. We have neutron. Neutron means 1, 0, right? Neutron, it's 1, 0. And what is the result here? Okay. So let's call it X, A, Z. 1 plus, let's change the color. 1 plus 14 is 15. And here we have 14, so this is 1, right? 7 plus 0 is 7. And here we have 6. That means Z is also 1. Also, the answer is we should have X, 1, 1. And in this case, X will be the hydrogen. Thank you for watching. That's it.